Welcome back to Happy Hour on your drive home at 3 o'clock. Today we'll be interviewing Sir Edgeworth David about his expedition to Antarctica. Hello, David.
Hello, Callum.
Is it okay if you can answer some questions for us?
Sure thing, let's get to it.
Why did you go to Antarctica?
Well, I was a professor of geology. I was just amazing, so I thought I would take geology to the next level.
Now, what ship did you go on?
I was actually part of the famous Shackleton expedition. The name of my amazing ship was Nimrod, and also Nimrod was used as a ship to carry coal before it became an exploration ship.
When did you go to Antarctica, and when did you come back?
Well, I was leaving on the Shackleton expedition for an amazing experience of a lifetime in 1901, and I came back in 1903.
Did you make any discoveries in Antarctica?
Well, I was actually the leader of the first ascent of Mount Erebus, the only active volcano in the whole of Antarctica.
Did you explore any other places before Antarctica?
Yes, I did. I explored the Ellis Islands and the beach country of Tuvalu Oceania.
What struggles did you go through on your expedition?
My ship was actually bogged up in a bunch of ice in the water when we were so close to the ice and land of Antarctica. We were so frustrated we thought we were going to die. Some even jumped off the boat and froze to death.
Who chose you to go on the Shackleton expedition?
I was actually chosen by the leader everyone looked up to, Ernest Shackleton. He was a great mate of mine, but as some know, he died on Sandwich Island after having a heart attack.
What happened to the ship?
Well, when we arrived, our ship fell on the ice, so we didn't know how we were going to get back.
Thank you, Sir Edgeworth David.
It's been a pleasure, Callum.
And that's all for Happy Hour tonight.
Antarctic News with Alex Holiday. Today we'll be interviewing no other than Richard Evelyn Bird. Hi, how you doing? We're good. We're ready to ask you some questions about your exploration to Antarctica. You ready?
Yep, okay.
So, why did you go to Antarctica in the first place?
Well, in 1928, I announced my decision to explore the unknown regions of Antarctica. My first expedition was in 1928 to 1930, the largest and best equipped that I've ever set out for that continent. So I pretty much went there for an expedition.
Oh, that's fantastic. So, what was the name of your ship, and can you describe it?
Well, the name of my ship was the USS Richard E. Byrd. It was a Charles F. Adams class guided missile destroyer. It was a pretty small ship from what I remember. It was a greyish-white colour. It was pretty cramped all the time, but sometimes having a small ship helped.
Oh, well, that's good news. So, Richard, what were the conditions like?
Well, don't even ask. It was freezing down there. Luckily, me and my crew had warm clothes to battle the cold weather. Don't even mention it again, because I get the shivers. There were even snowstorms. It was certainly hard to battle.
So what clothing did you wear?
Well, when walking, skiing, digging, and running, I had to wear layers and layers of clothes. All windproof and all waterproof. We had to wear massive woolly jumpers, visor things, warm shoes, socks, and about 3 tracksuit pants. It was very warm with those on. So cold.
So, what would you rate Antarctica? And would you go back?
I loved all 3 of my trips. I can't speak about how much I love Antarctica. I wish I could go back. We could be here for hours talking about Antarctica. I rate 5 out of 5 stars.
Thank you for coming, Richard.
Thank you, Alex.